Hello again. Okay, so what is this miracle I was talking about? Well, while your tongue was getting exercise, while your voice was practicing running over the rocks to make them into pebbles, your ears were listening and your brain was listening. Your brain could understand you when you were speaking slowly, and it could still understand you when you were speaking quickly. What are you going to do today? 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 Now, I want you to close your eyes just for a moment. Close your eyes like this. See? Eyes closed. Are they closed? And now I want you to listen. Keep your eyes closed. Get ready. What are you going to do today? Did you understand me? Did you understand what I was saying? That I was saying, what are you going to do today? But in fact I said, what are you going to do today? You understood me, correct? And secondly, did you have to translate that English sentence into your own language for you to understand? As we say in Chinese, 不用翻译, which means no translation needed. You see, the miracle is that the sentence that I'm speaking and the meaning of the sentence and the meaning of the sentence becomes one and the same thing. So, your mind is an amazing machine. It is the most powerful machine in the universe. No matter how powerful we are as scientists and engineers, we cannot reproduce the human mind. It is commonly accepted that most people only use 6% of the power of their mind. So there is a lot more power in your mind than you can imagine. You can learn 5, 6, 7, 10 languages all at the same time if the information goes into your brain in the right way. Your brain is amazing. You can ride a bike without thinking about it. If you can play the piano, you can play the piano and talk to someone at the same time. That's pretty amazing. You can sing so many songs. How many songs can you sing? How many words to how many songs can you remember? If you count them, I think you'll find there'll be about 100. I know certainly that I can sing between 60 and 100 songs without making a mistake on the lyrics. Lyrics are the words of a song or a poem. Lyrics, L-Y-R-I-C-S. So, you must never think that, oh, I can't learn all this stuff. I'm not clever enough. You are clever enough to learn several languages. You just have to find a method to get that information into your brain in the right way. And so far, all the teaching methods that are in place now in schools and colleges, on the internet, all those methods are old-fashioned. they do not give you the information in the right way. Okay, we're going to take it a step further in our next lesson. So on to the next video.